Louisville pays $800,000 to photographer in same-sex wedding case. A Kentucky city will pay $800,000 in legal fees to a photographer who challenged its LGBTQ plus non-discrimination law, ending a years-long legal battle. Chelsey Nelson filed a lawsuit in 2019 against the Louisville-Jefferson County Metro government, arguing that the city's Fairness Ordinance could force her to create content supporting same-sex marriage, which she opposes. The ordinance prohibits discrimination against LGBTQ people. Backed by Alliance Defending Freedom, Nelson claimed the law would require her to, quote, create photographs and blogs celebrating a message about marriage she does not believe, end quote. During Donald Trump's first term, the Justice Department filed a statement of interest supporting her case. In September, U.S. District Judge Benjamin Beaton awarded Nelson $1 in damages, ruling the ordinance unlawfully restricted her ability to publicly state she could not photograph same-sex weddings. Now Louisville has agreed to pay her legal fees, bringing the case to a close. City officials say the settlement ends litigation while leaving the Fairness Ordinance in place. Well, thank God the Fairness Ordinance is in place, especially in a place like Kentucky. You have to really scratch your head with, all the filtering that's going on in our world right now. Every time you think we take several steps forward, someone's trying to yank us back. What do you all think?
I think that's one thing. I know that it's going to sound controversial, but I don't think they should hide behind the Fairness Ordinance and pretend to work. When it comes to photography or even baking a cake or catering or, hosting an event, they should be able to say that. I want them to say that they do not want to serve same-sex couples, because if I go to a place and they basically do a crap job just because that I'm gay, I want, I want actually, notice in front that says no queers allowed.
Okay, so let's
we know that it's public knowledge. I think that every business who don't want to serve queer people should have it on their websites, just like ADA on their websites, on their doorstep, on their signage in front that says no queers allowed.
Thank you for being the new spokesperson for the Alliance Defending Freedom, Bobby. My God. So, one. Since I apparently need to explain why it's not okay to discriminate against people, what if she's one of maybe 3 photographers that do weddings in the entire town, and all 3 of them decide they don't do queers? That's why you have non-discrimination laws like this, Bobby, because it's to make sure that there's equal access for us as the public to use services.
Equal access is not equal quality of work.